So let's do another problem at a 3.4, or similar to one of your homework problems. How do we graph something that's not in the form that we're used to seeing? Okay. Well, we're going to do it the same way. We're going to make a table. Okay. And notice I already picked values for x. And why did I pick these values? I have no idea. You can pick anything you want for x. You can pick -2, 1, 16, 148, whatever you want to do for x. I kind of like symmetry because I have CDO. It's kind of like OCD, but all the letters are in the right order. Most mathematicians do. Okay, so what do? We plug in these values that we have for x. So I'm going to plug a -3 in for x here, and I'm going to figure out what y is. So let's plug in a -3. So we go -3 plus y equals 3. Okay, need to solve for y. Y needs to be by itself. So we're going to add 3, do it to one side. You got to do it to the other side in order to maintain the balance. So y equals 6. Great. We started to fill it in. So there's a data point. Now, what happens when x is a 0? And I always pick 0 as one of my numbers because it always works out nicely. Because when x is a 0, what happens to this term? It's gone. What are we left with? Y equals 3. Haha. Like easy. Now we're going to plug in a 3 for x. So we've got 3 plus y equals 3. Solve for y. Subtract 3 from both sides. Y equals 3 minus 3, 0. There's our 3 data points. Okay. Now you could do 4 data points. You could do 5. Okay. Whatever you want to do. Technically, with a straight line, all you need are 2 data points. Okay, but the more you have, the more accurate you're going to be, and the better chance you're going to catch an error if you make an error. If you only have 2 data points, you're going to be able to draw any straight line. But if you have 3 or more, and they don't line up to make a straight line, you know that on one of them you made a mistake. So let's go to -3 and 6. 1, 2, 3, and up to 6 right there. Plot our point, 0 and 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, right there. And 3 and 0, 1, 2, 3, and 0. Get our straight edge out. And one-handed, we draw a semi-straight line. Okay, and that's how we do it.